Donghua is a ranger at a Reinodon Sibiricus Nature Reserve in Wenquan County, northwest China's Xinjiang Vega Autonomous Region.
我是自然保护区的看护人员，我叫董花，我在这待了20年了，大家都叫我贝尼妈妈。
Reinodon Sibiricus, also known as Xinjiang salamander, was discovered in the county in 1989.
贝尼和恐龙是同一个年代的，人们都说它是活化石。
As a result of human activities and changes in the natural environment, the population of the critically endangered species declined sharply. To protect the amphibian from extinction, a 700-hectare Reinodon Sibiricus Nature Reserve was established in Wenqian County in 1997, which was upgraded to a national nature reserve in 2017.
它是下雨呀，跑到外面把它捡回去，不捡回去它也不知道回去。它晒太阳不行，见了太阳，见那个光它就躲起来，没有太阳它就可以出来，爬到湿地里面来可以吃草。它的那个存活率低得很，而且太脆弱了。我们配合它吧，好好保护一下，就尽量把它发展多一点。
20 years ago, when Donghua started working at the reserve, the population of Xinjiang salamander was about 800. Thanks to conservation efforts such as artificial breeding and strengthened monitoring and patrol, now its population has risen to over 3,000.
政府把我们支持的，给我们投入的钱，我们把这个围栏呀、房子呀全部也收好了，也给我们拉电了，现在有监控设备都有了，现在。 条件是特别好，现在这个贝尼生存的也好。